Hello, welcome to my mandatory hotel quarantine vlog number 1. Welcome to my hotel room. It is currently 3 o'clock Australian time, 12 o'clock Hong Kong time, and I am going to just plan out my 14 days, what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to also eat some of this fruit that they gave us today. And then they also gave us some pretty healthy, this is a pretty healthy lunch. So they gave us celery, carrots, and guac. Yes, please. I also got this vegetarian panini. I'm also going to edit my travel journey video, which you can click up here. That is what I'm gonna do for maybe the next hour or so. I have my beautiful speaker, which is playing blasting music and keeping me sane. I love you, bitch. Also have set up my kitchen area. I brought my little rice cooker, which is also a steamer. You can steam stuff up here and boil stuff down here. They provided a kettle, which is amazing, but I also brought my own kettle, but I'm not gonna take it out. I got these seaweed circles that you put in soup, and chocolate, obviously. I got vinegar, I got pepper, Korean seaweed, noodles, Weetabix, and my box of utensils. So watch out for some quarantine hotel cooking. So I wrote down what I need to do today. I know there's not a lot of hours left. It's around 5 p.m. right now, so I'll try to get everything done and then start on tomorrow's to-do. I feel like if I do this, I'll keep myself busy and stay sane. We have got baby spinach, tomato, mozzarella, and pesto panini. Yum. So I had a really nice call with my family. We all ate lunch together, and yeah. So now I'm just going to keep editing my video. I'm going to check out what the TV does as well, and yeah. The food gods just knocked on my door. You know what that means. It's dinner time, folks. It is currently 5:40, which is very early for dinner, but let's go check it out. I realize it's pouring outside. No, don't cry, Sydney. Let's see what we got for dinner. So this box, very light, and yay, no plastic. Yay. Oh, it's dessert. Lol. Let's hope it's not too bad. The vegetarian option, which is, I don't know what this is, some kind of pasta, ravioli type stuff. And then got a bread roll and salad, and then some extra stuff like vinaigrette butter and salt and pepper, plus bottled water, which I told them I didn't need. I'm not especially hungry right now, so I'm just gonna eat the salad, and then maybe if I'm hungry later, I'll eat that. Taste test of dinner. I already had a bite, actually. This is the vegetarian option. I'm very impressed. I wonder what their vegan option would be like, but this is so good. I did one of my things on my to-do list was to post on the Facebook group just to let people know what the experience is and, you know, share any information that I can give them, because this group helped me so much, so I might as well help. My other videos also exporting, so another thing to take off the to-do list. So productive. This is the satisfying, most satisfying thing. Crossing shit off of your list. I have this to do. I'll probably do that tonight. Right now, since I can't really do anything on my laptop, I'm gonna do a workout. I'm aiming to make use of this quarantine and become a little bit more healthy. I totally forgot to request for a healthier option for dinner tonight, but tomorrow I'm going to ask for no carbs and fruit in replacement of the dessert. So, Emmy Wong. I just finished the workout. Time to treat myself to some Netflix. Oh, did you hear that? Ooh.
Ouais, est-ce que oui, hein. Se reproduit. Ouais. Parfois on fait pas le texte, c'est des silences qui durent 3 plombs, l'autre jour elle a même.
In the office now. This is seaweed soup, which I just made in my tiny rice cooker because I was a little peckish. Hot food. I put white pepper in it. So that's the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow.